Well, it's Sunday. I was hoping to get a repair video out for you guys today, but it's not gonna happen. I just really don't feel like working today. It's the weekend. So instead, I figured I'd show you what's coming up for this coming week. I got machines everywhere. I'm trying to get everything organized a little bit. I gotta get the forklift running to make it a little easier to move this stuff around. I moved a couple sleds, but I just drove them down here. That old Arctic Cat Cougar actually started right up. I got stuff everywhere. I got a couple sleds over here that'd be nice just to lift up with the forklift, bring them over there. I mean, I can drag them around with another four-wheeler, but it's just kind of a pain. The forklift just so much easier. Ugh. Look at all these dead machines. I really got to do a spring cleanup around here. Actually, the Warrior runs. Should run. It did run. I bet it'll fire right up. This thing's actually a pretty fun little rig. I probably should do a test drive video on this thing. I know some of you guys like the test drive videos anyways. Oh, maybe she won't work. Maybe she won't start. Huh. Maybe a little throttle. I had to unchoke it. No, she wants to choke. Yeah, she did start. Anyways, gotta get this ignition hook back up. Oh, you know what? I'm missing the front panel. That's where that ignition hook's in right there. But anyways, the point of that was that's the only thing that runs over here. Well, technically that does run, but obviously it's missing the rear end. But nothing else really runs without a lot of help anyways. But none of this stuff's coming up this week, so let's move on to the stuff that is. I absolutely gotta get this lifted Sportsman 570 done. There will be an engine rebuild on it and an installation and all that good stuff. Probably two separate videos. I'll probably do one with the engine rebuild, and then the second one will be me putting it in, trying this thing out. And actually there's some other stuff that needs to be done to this. The portals need to be resealed and a lot of little stuff. So I don't know, there'll be at least 2 videos, possibly 3 on this machine. So this thing will be this week. I told you I gotta clean there's junk everywhere. Right here we got the Grizzly 600 that needs a complete engine rebuild. I got the cylinder sent out right now, getting it overboard. I'm waiting for that to get it back, then I can get back on this thing. All these other machines are mine right here. Oh, if we go in the shop, absolutely gotta get this thing done. This is the Bombardier Quest. This is gonna be the first project Monday morning. I'll get to that and get a video out for you guys. Gotta do the top end rebuild and a couple little things. This was just brought in yesterday. This is kind of a cool little bike. This is a 2022 Honda Ruckus, which is just kind of a neat little bike. This will be this week as well. This thing's got 2,500 miles on it, so it needs a complete service. So we'll be doing that, belt, oil, valves, all that good stuff on this Honda Ruckus this week. Waiting on some parts to come in for that though. So if we go back out here, what I need to do, I already put a few loads of dirt down. I mean, the Honda Ruckus went up this fine, but there is a decent lip here still. But I have a Harley Road King coming in this week that needs a transmission rebuild or a 5-speed to a 6-speed swap. And that's gonna have a hard time getting over that. So I'm gonna build this up a little bit more. So if I do end up getting all that other stuff done, I get this Sportsman 500. As you can see, there's no engine in it. That is a complete engine rebuild on this thing. Hopefully I can get to it, but we'll see. But anyways, let's go get a load of gravel. Start up the old Cabota. And I know, she's noisy. It's got a little tap in that engine, but she runs. This thing's never let me down, so I can't complain. I do have an engine rebuild kit for it, but we'll deal with that when the time comes. Oh, 4 old 3 tracks. That thing hasn't moved for a few days up to there. Oh, I forgot about this thing. I gotta get that in the shop too. We got a Ranger, a Polaris Ranger 800 That I got to, there's a noise in the front end. I think I got to do a front diff rebuild on that one. We'll find out when I get to it. Doesn't ride quite as smooth as the four-wheelers I usually bring down here. All right, now we're talking. Oh. Throw her in four-wheel drive. Low range, or turtle mode. There we go. We're gonna take the smoother way up this time. Go ahead and open that up. Smooth this out a little bit. I think that'll be good enough there. Shut the old girl down. Kick some of these rocks out of here. Yep. Yeah, much smoother transition there. More rocks. I hope that'll be good anyways. Let's see how the Honda Ruckus goes over it. Like I said, it went over it no problem. We'll kind of see if it's a decent slope for that Harley. This thing is the quietest running little machine here. Oh yeah, we gotta hit the brake. Listen to that thing. Pretty neat little scooter. I think they're considered scooters anyways. Oh. Pretty fun little bike, actually. Cute little bike. It does scrape a little bit there. Like I said, pretty fun little bike. The best part about these little Honda Ruckuses is they're under 50cc, so you don't need a motorcycle license to drive it. Well, I think I'm gonna have to build this up a little bit more because I bet that Harley's pretty low. So I'll probably have to smooth that out a little bit more. But in the meantime, I might as well try to get this Kawasaki Voyager running again. It's been sitting all winter, so we'll see. So yeah, we'll see. Boy, she's leaning quite a bit. It's sunk in this dirt big time. I gotta get this thing running, get it out of here, get those sleds in here, because I'm pretty sure winter's over with now. Oh, I don't know if the battery is any good on this thing right now. Let's see. Nothing. Maybe it don't even have a battery, I don't remember. Apparently I don't remember where the battery is. Must be on this side. Let's see, did I take it out? Oh no, it's still under there. Yeah, she's just dead. Go ahead and pull that out. This computer slides right over. Now we can get to our battery. Grabbed our jump pack. Let's see if this big 6-cylinder wants to start. That's right, she's a 6-cylinder, inline 6 at that. Positive on positive. Negative on negative. A little hard to reach that one. Alright, now we got fuel pump. Nothing. Oh, you know what? I think I had to jump the solenoid when I brought it in this winter. Ugh, so many projects. I gotta get to that Kawasaki 250 here one of these days. Got my Tri-Z projects I wanted to get to. 350X. That thing's running and driving at least. The Scrambler 250 Polaris. Alright. Alright, we'll turn the ignition back on. And we'll go ahead. Cross it. Cross that. Come on, girl. Oh, almost. Come on, girl. Maybe if I give her a little throttle. So close. Oh, so close. There she goes. That's what I wanted to hear. Yeah, she's gonna idle now. Boy, I gotta get this thing dug out. Oh, don't die, girl, don't die. Oh, there we go. Nice. Oh, man. Oh, positive came off, so she's not gonna run without that jump pack on her. Yeah, I think my solenoid is bad. Try to get this thing out of here. Ooh. Come on, girl. Sunk in there pretty good. Whew. Come on. Well, I guess I don't need it running to do that. Actually, you know what? Maybe if I drive her ahead a little bit. Ooh. Might be making it worse. Oh, I did sink it down more. Whew. Oh, she's sunk in there pretty good. Pretty much right to the pipes. Yeah, it's not great. Not great. To get out some of this dirt. Hefty, hefty, hefty. Oh, I'll break these handlebars if I pull on it too much. Yeah, I mean, she's just right on the ground. Well, stubborn as I am, I don't really want to break anything on the bike. Usually I'd bull and jam to get it out of there, but like I said, I don't want to break anything. I'll wait until I get another person to help me out with that thing. Anyways, hopefully you guys had a good weekend. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next repair.